In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Salesmate Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on a custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video, which is going to guide you on how to set up the app. Right here, we have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on the Start Setup button and you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on your profile name, click on Setup. On the Setup page, you're going to click on Automation, click on Salesmate API. Under the section label your API keys, you're going to click here, and you're going to copy your session key and head over back to your account, paste your session key here, head over back to your account online, and we're going to get our link name on the URL browser. For example, this will be mine, and head over back to your account, enter your link name, click on Complete Setup. Great. The app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here, you're going to get the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. If you have any question or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.